Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. It is early. It is 6:09 a.m. in the
Continue on
morning.
Big Bethel Road for half.
And I'm on my way to drop off the laundry that I picked up on yesterday. The video that you saw me prior picking up. So we're dropping it off this morning. I'm off today. And I want to make a $130 goal with Spark on today. So we're going to see if we can go ahead and make it my goal. So come join me as we make it a Spark delivery day.
There can't be no light if darkness don't exist. He never left my side. He showed me the way out of all the storms raging at the sea.
But I wasn't able to face this camera toward the house because there's so many cars in the yard and I had nowhere to put my car so you guys can see. But I got what I could with the mini camera that I have. So I hope you was able to see a little bit. So now we're putting our Spark app on and see what we can make with Spark today. I'll be back when I get one. I just got an order for $23.65. I think it's $23.60. Yeah, $23.65. It is a 3 drop off. And all 3 are going to homes. And it looked like it was starting off pretty well. Within less than 2 minutes, I got my first order. I hope it continues like that throughout today. My goal is right now at 6:36 and we just dropped off that laundry. I want to work until at least 5 o'clock. And I want to, hopefully and praying I can make my $130 goal. So come along with me. Let's go get this order. All right, guys, we're at the Walmart and just see what spot we're going to get. It looked like there's only one other car out here. Yep, there's only one other car. Let's get spot number 5.
Southwest.
All right, guys, this one is going to a house and it is 16 minutes away. And they left instructions to not smash the bread. She said, do not smash the bread this time. That's funny.
Head northwest.
That's why, yeah. That's why when they have bread and eggs and stuff like that, and even milk, because I don't like milk spilling in my car, I try to be extra cautious with stuff like that. But anyway, let's do this first drop off. Off is another house and it is 10 minutes away. Let's go drop it off.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh.
We're going to the last drop off, which is another house, and it is 10 minutes away. And now this house right here, I passed. I had to come back because the street. You ever been on a street where on both sides it's just wood, so you pass it because you're thinking it's not a street, but it is? So that's what I just did.
Turn right on Dave East.
That's what I just did. So now we're going to drop off the last one. Let's go.
Yeah, 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 yeah. For my
Cockletown.
Drop off has been completed. Now we're just waiting on another. Oh, it is one there, but can't look at it because I'm backing up. I'll be back when I get one. All right, guys, we just picked up another offer for $20.40,
Turn right
and it is a
Airport
3
Drive.
drop off going 3.1 mile. Let's go get it. All right, guys, we're at the Walmart. Let's see what spot number we're gonna get. Oh, it's not a lot of people like I thought it was gonna be. We're gonna get spot number 10. All right, guys, we're on our way to our first drop off, which is the apartment, and it's about 7 minutes away. So let's go drop these items off. And most of them don't have much anyway, so it's just a great thing. But anyway, we're out here to make that go. After this, we only need $85 more and some change. Let's go drop it off. We're here, so I'll be back once I drop it off.
You saw me in the crowd, they were calling last call. I was lost in the noise, oh my.
Drop it off. Alright, guys, I'm back. Going to the next delivery, which is another apartment, and we're going 8 minutes away. Now this apartment was, when I say up in the cut, it was up in the cut. Thank God she only had one bag. Alright, let's go.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I do not understand why this Walmart continues to put the wrong stuff with the wrong person. Now, this one of those things, thank God I caught it, but I thought I almost gave the wrong stuff to the wrong person again. But one of the items that belongs to the prior person is in the front seat, and they mixed it up.
Head east, then turn left.
And it's a shame you have to look, because sometimes you can't see it, but you have to look in the app to see what the person got. Some told me I don't understand why Walmart doing this. But anyway,
by 8:49 a.m.
we going about 1 minute away.
Santa Barbara Drive.
We're about to go 1 minute away, and it's another house, and they want us to leave it at the garage door, and then we're gonna go take this to where it's supposed to go. Let's go, guys.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
This blender off that was supposed to be with the other order, and then we'll cut that back on. Let's go. Okay, guys, I dropped it off her blender, and she's also saying she missing frozen fruit. And I'm telling you, this store was the ones the last 2 times that got my stuff mixed up. And of course, we can't see it. I mean, we can see in the beginning what they get, but at some point you cannot see, especially if you're trusting them to tell you what's in the front seat. They only give you 3 stickers, and they say, well, this is going to be in the front, this is going to be in the back, and this is going to be in the trunk. When you look in the back seat, there's no stickers on the back seat. So you're trusting them to tell that what they told you was in the back seat was on the back seat, because there's no stickers on the back seat bags. Which they lie, and this is the 3rd time, so I had to end up calling support because I don't want to get deactivated, because this spark money is what's getting me out of debt. Because you know, you guys, we are all about getting out of debt here. but he said it's not going to affect my ratings. So I'm glad about that. But anyway, we're going to wait because now it has slowed down. And I wanted to make, oh, we just got one. Let's see. I thought. It's not one. But anyway, we're going to go over this Walmart and we're just going to wait till another order comes. Alright guys, I just picked up another order for, I believe, $14.26 for 3 drop-off. So let's go get it. Alright guys, we're at the Walmart. I'm trying to get spot number 3. Spot number 3. Alright guys, I'm on our way to the first drop-off, which is 10 minutes away. And it is a house. So let's go drop this order off. And after we drop this order off, we only have $71 and some change. I think it's $71.69 more to make before we make our $130 goal for today. Next delivery.
West toward Shady Oak.
Next delivery is apartment. Going 6 minutes away. And they left an SS code. So let's go drop it off. Alright guys, I'll be back after I drop this off.
You saw me in the crowd, they were calling last call. I was lost in the noise, oh my. But you opened my eyes, share the story of hope.
Off. Alright guys, I'm back. I hope you was able to see a little something with that mini camera. I don't know if it was facing it correctly or not. The next one, the last delivery is 3 minutes away, and we're going to our house. Let's go drop it off.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Head northwest on
Completed. I told that young man, I said, you back up in the cut. And when I said he is back there. Anyway, we're going to wait on another order to come through. Okay, I just got another order for $12.42. It's not much, but and it's going 9.7 miles. And there's only 2 drop-offs. Let's go get it. Alright guys, we're at the Walmart. I'm trying to get spot number 1. Well, there's nobody out here either. It's kind of slowing down. Alright guys, this is a 2 drop off. And we're going 13 minutes away. It is a house. I don't know if I told you guys how much this was. I think it was $12 and something.
Head west.
For only 2 drop offs. Alright, let's go drop it off.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Drop off, which is 12 minutes away. It's another house, so let's go drop it off and wait on another order.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. For my good,
drop-offs complete. And that house I just left, they need to fix those stairs. They just need to fix those stairs. You can fall right through those stairs. And I don't know if you can tell through the camera how I was holding on to that, trying to hold on to that rail, but that was so unsafe, very unsafe. They need to tighten up that wood. They just need new stairs, or fix the ones you have, because someone's gonna sue them if they fall. Anyway, guys, we gonna wait on another order to come through. It's kind of slowed down now, but I don't want to go home until I make my goal. I have $59 more and a little bit change to make. So I'm gonna go maybe find a Walmart or some store and just sit until I get another order. Guys, it has really slowed down, but I can say I did make enough to pay on my life insurance, which was one of the things I wanted to do. So I call it a win, even though we were still $59 short of the goal we wanted to make today. So if I don't get another order by the time I get closer to the house, I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video, and I will see you guys in the next. But I'll be back if I get another order. Alright guys, it has slowed down tremendously. So I'm going back to the house and just rest the rest of the day until it's time to go to work tomorrow. Unless I feel up to it, I may come back out, but as of right now, I think I'm ready to go home and get me a nap. I'm so sleepy. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys for always stopping in, commenting, watching my videos, supporting my videos, thumbsing up my video if you like the video. And if you're not a part of Mom of a Mission, please come be a part. It is definitely free to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.